Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Lots of stocks in focus, so let's get straight to it. We have Gurmeet Chadha of Complete Circle Consultants joining in now. Gurmeet, good morning. The big headline on Tata Motors is that finally they've, Tata Technologies has filed the DRHP with SEBI for an IPO. And we do know that it's a very strong franchise and Tata Technologies is a great business. But what, for a Tata Motors shareholder, how would you analyze this?
No, it is positive because they would be offloading almost 20%, and since they own almost 74.4% on it, and it would maybe add something to Tata Motors, also give them the necessary, if I can call that growth capital with the focus they have on EVs and the new launches. And Tata Technology has been a darling for a lot of family offices and ultra HNIs in the grey market, unlisted space. That's on stock which has really done well other than NSE. And a great business at 3,500 crores, kind of a top line, 450, 500 crore bottom line. So if the valuation is at the lower end more, which is, let's say, 16, 17,000 crore market cap, even that is reasonably priced. So should add maybe 10 odd percent to Tata Motors in terms of an immediate reaction. Well, the way the markets are, you can't be always sure. I think it's also a good IPO because it's a very niche, specialized play in this engineering, research and design sector within IT.
Okay, all right. Hi, Gurmeet. Good morning. Gurmeet, Gokul Das, there was a large trade that took place. The PE investor at some point of time was definitely going to exit. Now, they've sold half their stake out there. How do you approach the company from here on?
So, Nigel, there will be some more concern that, while whether the other 10% is also coming or not. But look at it this way. I mean, it's been a great turnaround since Mr. Ganpati took over, post Blackstone exit. It's been like 6x since that has happened. And still stock trades at about 13, 14 times. I'm more keen on who's buying into it. I think there's some good names which have come in. Also, they have a capex now. So in MP, they have unit 1 and 2, which should add maybe 400 odd crores to the bottom line. And then they're getting into NIT projects in Tamil Nadu, which will again add. So they have capex, which will probably add about 1,000 crores in next maybe 2 years to the top line. They maintained EBITDA margin despite, US being the main market and inventories being very high. And the share is pretty low. So I think there are multiple triggers. A, the valuations are reasonable. Second, once US stabilizes and inventory dries up, you'll have more fresh orders. Then you have this UK, trade deal, if that can happen, where I think this could be one big beneficiary. So I think it's a good play, very reasonable on valuations. But maybe near term, you may not have major new triggers since till the time you see a sustainable turnaround in the US markets, which is 80% for them.
Okay, got that, Gurmeet. Just stay on. We'll quickly get into a corporate conversation and come right back to you. Five-Star Business Finance is the first corporate on our radar today. Nuvama has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a target of 710. Nuvama is expecting assets under management to grow at a compounding rate of 30% over the next couple of years.